and open waters from the islands Ohio to Geneva on the Lake Ohio until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:34 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles east of Kelly's Island to near Lorraine Harbor, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Lorraine Harbor, Geneva on the Lake, Western Vermilion, and Cleveland.